Okay, it is October 24th, 2013. Little view of our shed in our backyard and some lovely fall foliage. Our home and continuing the saga of Madison Pond rebuild number 6. So we got home today and this is what we found. A lot of work has been done back here today. A lot of rocks being thrown around. A big pile of them right there. 3 guys are building this pond. And let's sit up into the sun here. And then, as you can see, there is going to be several levels of water spillage. Under that pile is our seating deck, and we're starting to fill the pond a little for the guys. Ask us to put some water in, and we'll see what they come up with tomorrow. They're supposed to finish tomorrow, so can't wait to see it work. And good evening, y'all.